Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have seen that few people wanted to know how to install Dashcam in Nexon EV. So actually the process is same in almost any car. So this is my DDPAI Z40 Dual Dashcam. Okay. So this is the front unit which I have installed on my front windshield. You can see that two cables are there. One is video cable which I have routed from here and it goes to this place. From here I have routed it from behind like this, and I have taken it outside. I'll show the outside part. So I have routed it from here, then from this place I have routed it from here, and now like this it comes, and the second channel, that is rear camera, is installed on rear windshield. The second one is this one. This is a USB type C power cable. This I have routed from here. It goes right side. Then this panel I have taken out. And from this panel, sorry, excuse me. So from this panel I have taken it outside. It goes here, and from this side it comes out, and from here behind steering wheel I have hidden it, and from here it comes out. I hope you can see this. It comes out, and then from this behind I have inserted it, and I have plugged it in this USB mobile cigarette lighter socket charger. So whenever I will switch on, this DDPAI will be powered on.
Hello, start recording.
Also the rear camera will be turned on. You can also power it from this USB port. However, I recommend using this port only, and the best option will be to use a power bank and power it using power bank. Sorry. So using power bank you will be able to use the parking surveillance mode option also. Thank you.